Where does the name for a Wern or Wern come from? So today I'm in Caia Parc and this area behind me is called a Wern. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. First we have which means simply enough, the, and then we have Wern. Wern is the soft mutated form of Gwern, which originally meant alder trees, and it still does, but it has also come to mean a swamp or a quagmire with alder trees in it. It's likely that the name is descriptive, and the area the housing was built on was formerly a swamp around the banks of the river Gwenfro. So the name literally means the swamp of the alder trees. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.